Hello guys, namaste, welcome to my channel again. I'm gonna take you today to the one of the biggest park here in Doha, Qatar, that is called Alkhor Family Park, which is included mini zoo also. What's next? Follow me and keep watching the video guys. See you there.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
What's up guys? I'm arrived here now finally in the Alkhor Family Park. I'm gonna enter inside and explore what is inside. Keep watching and keep following me. Hello friends, now I'm walking inside the Alkhor Park, that is just in front of the entrance right behind me. This is what you call a rhino.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now I am just in front of the deers group here. You can see at my back side lots of deers. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
Now I'm walking inside the Alkhor Park and it's really very quiet in the morning. Now I think it's 10 o'clock already, 10 a.m. It's a sunny day, Arlon. It's very nice. Wow, I saw already. I'm able to capture some animals video. It's really good morning here. Now I'm walking towards to the waterfall. There is waterfall also. I'm gonna show you later. You can see how does it look like.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now I'm walking on the bridge. You can hear the sound, background sound, that is from the waterfall. Both sides of the bridge there are maybe 6 waterfalls here. That's making more beautiful this place. And there are some ducks also. They're swimming on the water.
Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
this is the perfect place for your family trip, especially for the children. They can learn more about the animals and birds here, and the greenery is a lot here also. There are many things to learn. There we go. Yo, yo. Amazing.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
किधर से हैं आप लोग?
बांग्लादेश का।
दोनों बांग्लादेश का?
नहीं,
तीनों?
इंडिया। दोनों, दो आदमी बांग्लादेश का है, एक आदमी इंडिया का।
एक आदमी इंडिया का है। ओके, बहुत जोखिम काम कर रहे हो भाई। सब ठीक है ना?
अल्लाह का भाई।
अल्लाह करीम, अल्लाह करीम। बाय बाय।
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Wow, that's amazing.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Hello. What's your name?
Mikey,
Mikey. Where are you from?
go up there and come down.
You go out there and come. Alright, thank you. Hello friends. Now I found a place here where you can do the basic exercise also, that is facilitated by Alkhor Park team.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Right now I'm here together with the lions. Under this case there is lions.
And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number.
Now I'm moving to the place where you can find monkeys there. Lots of species available in this Alkhor Park. Let's go and let's find it out. What's the next?
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on played. No, I don't want no rest.
Yo! Personally, I like this place. I found it very quiet, maybe because of this is not weekend. A few peoples only I found roaming around here and enjoying their moments. It's a greenery. You can see at the background. This is the place. They created some places here to sit down and take. There are lots of things still I'm going to explore. Maybe only 30% I have captured so now. Keep watching.
see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I reach nearby the ostrich here. There you go. Hey ostrich, say hi to my viewers here.
Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
Now I'm gonna go inside of that small cave. They kept some species of animal inside as a mini zoo. Let's go and let's explore.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Friends, now I have already done, almost done. Now time to exit. I have captured lots of moments and I shared with you. Hope you're gonna like it and you're gonna hit the subscribe button if you are not yet. Then keep liking, keep watching full video and keep sharing my videos so lots of people they can be benefited and they can visit this beautiful place and create the momentums. Thank you. See you. Sayonara. Bye bye.